Hey everyone, this is part 2 of our little boat day. I thought there was going to be a third part, but that's my bad. There's actually just a whole nother boat vlog in general. It's a short little boat ride from the lake to the spring, so that's where we're heading right now. Look at these little turtles. I think they're adorable. They always hang out on the little trees. And then this just looks like it's straight out of a movie. I film it every time like it's going to change and it looks exactly the same every time, but it's just so pretty. I can't get over it. This video has no filter. Like, it truly looks that beautiful. Then little man put my shoes on and I was dying laughing. Look how tiny his little feet are in my shoes. Logan set up our tent and it had just poured, so he was scrambling to get it up. That's why he's knocking the water off of it. But we realized it was so big that we could have put it over the boat. It turned out to be such a beautiful day, and look how cute these two are. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.